Namaste, pure divine souls. My name is K. Uma Krishnaveni. In this video, I will explain you what is the difference between yoga and meditation. Many people are confused when it comes to yoga and meditation. They think that these two are the same, but the truth is they are not. When you take a closer look at it, there are many differences between yoga and meditation. But yoga and meditation are quite similar in the sense that both deliver physical, mental, emotional, and spiritual benefits to the body. Yoga and meditation are now the latest trends to stay fit and healthy in this today's world. Well, these trends are basically continuing since that ancient age. In the ancient ages, the saints and sadhus used to perform yoga and meditations in order to sustain a healthy and peaceful life. And thus, these trends are passed on generations and generations. What is yoga? Yoga is a spiritual, mental, and physical discipline which helps attain permanent peace. But over the years, yoga is associated with physical fitness. Yoga is not a religion, yoga is a way of life that aims to remove obstacles and suffering from life to attain the highest spiritual goal, samadhi, or self realization or union with higher consciousness. Yoga entails different paths and practices that help in achieving the desired results. It is very unfortunate that the commercial fitness industry is trying to use yoga as a gimmick for materialistic gains and sales purposes. Yoga is not all about stretching and adjunct to intense physical exercises. Yoga is much more than that. Yoga is for everyday living. Yoga helps to connect mind, body, and spirit. It also improves daily living habits, helps to build better relations, and fine tunes all the body systems. Yoga helps to achieve peace of mind and emotional and mental stability. What is meditation? Meditation is a part of yoga which should ideally be followed after yogasanas. Meditative techniques take you through energizing the body and intellect. Meditation also improves breathing and the mind, eventually self realization. Benefits of yoga: all round fitness, weight loss, relieve stress, improve immunity, better posture, increase energy. Benefits of meditation: stress relief, lower and higher blood pressure, and tension related pain like headaches, insomnia, ulcers, and joints pain too. Improve the mood, immunity, alertness, and energy. Types of yoga: Kundalini, Ashtanga, Raja Yoga, Hatha Yoga, Swara Yoga, Gnana Yoga, Bhakti Yoga, Mantra Yoga. Types of meditation: there are different meditative techniques to suit different purposes. Mindful meditation, reflective meditation, mantra meditation, focused meditation, visualization meditation. In order to grab the best benefits, I recommend it to you to perform both yoga and meditation together. A lot of benefits have been observed when both yoga and meditation are performed together. I hope now you will understand the difference between yoga and meditation. Do you know someone that would benefit from this video? Please share it now. Thank you for watching. Help us to reach a 1 million subscribers goal.